Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 8 Pine Acres Drive in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular English country estate. So let's take a tour. This home welcomes you with elegance in this grand two-story foyer. With crown molding, a magnificent staircase, wainscoting, and marble floors. With an adjacent expansive living room with crown molding, a wood-burning fireplace, and bay windows. And a formal dining room with all the featured woodwork and hardwood floors.
You'll love this spacious granite kitchen with beautiful wood-mode cabinetry, high-end appliances, a center island, and hardwood floors, leading to an eat-in area with a bay window and a fireplaced family room with deck access, all with an adjacent powder room and laundry.
This newly updated first floor master suite has it all. With beautiful hardwood floors, a spa bathroom with a walk-in closet, and a wall of windows with deck access.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including the second luxurious master suite with a fireplace, a spa bathroom, and an incredible walk-in closet. While the finished lower level features great additional living space with an activity room, a kitchen area, and a separate mirrored exercise room or dance studio, plus a powder room.
This architect-designed, quality-built Longwell home is just perfect. Tiger Woods stayed at this home during the 2013 PGA Championship. The purchaser of this home will receive a commemorative mega golf ball signed by Tiger himself. Entertain family and friends on this beautiful deck overlooking the hot tub and in-ground pool, all with spectacular landscaping. This property has a prime Pittsford location on a cul-de-sac off East Avenue. Pine Acres Drive is a very special neighborhood of fine homes. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 8 Pine Acres Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!